Hi lovelies, my name is Karina Quiroz. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me with some of my favorite products, and I also asked you guys on TikTok to ask me some questions, so I'll be answering some of those today. And yeah, let's get started. So I already did my eyebrows. I always do them first because they do take pretty long, so I'm going to be doing a separate video on me just showing you how I do my brows. But the product we're going to go in with first is this Good Molecules silicone free priming moisturizer. I love this stuff. It is so good if you have dry or normal skin. I think after every step I'm going to answer a question. Okay, I'm going to look through the questions and see which one I want to ask. What's your favorite makeup brand? My favorite makeup brand is All On Our Cosmetics. I have another one of their palettes. I have all their lippies. I have all their brushes and their lip liners. I think that's it. I have everything they have. All the products they have, I have. So yes, I love their products. I love their brand. I love their company. I love the people. I love everyone there at LMR Cosmetics. So now we're going to go in with some foundation. I like to use, I've been loving the Juvia's Place foundation. It is amazing. You don't need that much. Very high coverage. I'm going to be taking it in with my Morphe E6 brush. It's my favorite brush. It's a flat brush. Favorite foundation brush for sure. Covers so well. My face is really rosy today. It's hotter today than it's been really rainy, but today the sun's out. I want to know what you guys like to see. Like, do you like seeing me do my face makeup, or do you guys just prefer like eyeshadow tutorials? Let me know. I would like to know what you guys like to see. I'm gonna go in with a beauty sponge for my nose. My nose is really weird about my nose is really weird about brushes, so I go in with the sponge. Look at the hole I have in my sponge because of my nails. I'm going to wipe off my lips. And then while I do this, I'm going to look for another question. Do I take appointments? Yes, I take nail appointments and I take makeup appointments. Best primer. This one. The moisturizing primer from Good Molecules, bomb. So I'm going to go in with this Pretty Fresh concealer by ColourPop. Love this one. Perfect if you have drier skin or drier under eyes. I like to let it dry a little bit, so when I go in with my sponge, it doesn't just soak up all the product, it sticks to my face without using so much product. While that's drying, I'm gonna open this up, so when I'm done blending it out, I can set my under eyes really quick before they start creasing. I love airspun powder, my favorite powder. It is bomb. You get so much product for so cheap, and it really works. While this is drying, let's see. How old are you? I am 22. I will be 23 June 22nd. Now I'm just gonna blend it out. I like to work back and forth, eye to eye, so both eyes have the same amount of coverage, rather than me just blending out this eye and then going to this eye, and this eye will have so much more coverage from the leftover concealer on the sponge. I'm going to go in with powder and just really get in there. And now I'm gonna powder the rest of my face. I always powder the rest of my face because I wear a lot of like cheek products and I don't want my base to move around. Their True Match powder. This is in the color N1, Soft Ivory. Go in and I use this to help wipe away the bake, or the powder, not even bake, I didn't even bake. Just wipe away the powder. Let's find one. Okay, this one. Please make a list of your all-time faves, like stuff you can't do your makeup without. You're gonna want to watch this video, girl. This is what this video is all about. These are all my all-time faves throughout this whole video. So next, we're gonna go in with eyes. This powder on it. This is Alamar Cosmetics palette. It's their Volume 1 palette. This is the most amazing palette ever. I love it so much. We're not going to do anything too crazy today. We're going to keep it a little more neutral. So I say right now, we shall see how that goes. And we're going to go in with Coco Taxi. It's this color. I'm going to pack it into the outer V. And above my crease. We're going to go in with Tropical, this burnt orange shade. V. This is just to give a little more color. And then right below where we diffused Coco Taxi, picking up the first color again to diffuse the top. So going back in with this ColourPop concealer, we're going to cut the crease. This is how I cut my crease. I like to put some of my concealer on as close as the lash line as possible. I accidentally got some on the lashes. You're not going to want to do that. Try to avoid getting it on the lashes. And then you're going to look up. And then wherever that line lands is where I like to cut my crease. It just ensures that whenever I use my shimmers and I open my eyes, like say, okay, this is where my natural crease is. My natural crease is right here. Say I did my crease here and I have shimmers. If I look up all the time, all my shimmers are going to transfer up here onto the mat, and that's not what I want. So that's why I always do that. So I know if I look up, it's always going to stay in that zone, you know? El Malecon, this green. This color is my favorite shimmer from this palette. La Costa for the inner corner part. This part I left blank. This eye is all done. I'm going to go do this eye and I will be back. And we're going to connect it to the side of this shadow. If you don't connect it, you'll have this gap of just nothing, and to me, I don't really like that look, so I always connect my top eyeshadow with my bottom eyeshadow. Going in with this Alamar Cosmetics Brighten Bronze Complexion Trio in Fair Light. I'm going to be taking this darker shade. I like to really pack it. Going to go in with this Alamar Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to get that light color and just set it under my eyes to brighten up my under eyes. Taking this Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio in Medium Tan, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades. I'm going to be going in with this Rach Loves by Pixie highlighting palette. I like to mix this color with this one. Look at that. So pretty. We are going to be applying lashes. These are from Jessica Lashes. Look how pretty. My favorite lashes at the moment. She has bomb lashes. These are in the style Birthday Bish. Can't say that word, but yeah, we're gonna be applying these. with some duo glue. I don't like this duo glue, but it's the only one I have right now, so it's gonna have to do. A lip pencil. This is by Sister Cosmetics. It is in the color Chocolate Mousse. Look how pretty. I'm going to line my lips. I'm gonna go in with this Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Chula. It is their lightest shade they have. And this is the finished look. Before I sign off, I'm going to answer a few more questions. I completely forgot that I was answering questions. Let me find one. Is primer necessary? Primer is very much necessary. It is the barrier between the makeup and your face, so it helps prevent breakouts and it helps your foundation stick to your face better, and it makes your foundation and like base last a lot longer. What are your favorite lashes? My favorite lashes are Jessica lashes. She has some amazing lashes. These are one of the pairs and I just love them. They're so beautiful, they're so big. I love huge lashes. Check her out. I'm going to be tagging her down below in all the products I used, so look. And her lashes are very much affordable too. What are your favorite lipstick products? My favorite lipstick products are from Alamar Cosmetics. They have the best lippies. I love them. They're so nice. I have their lip liners as well. I usually wear this lip liner all the time. It's Dulce, but you can see how tiny it is, and I'm not trying to use it all the time, just on special occasions because I only have this much. But Alamar Cosmetics, they have amazing lip products. What is your nationality? My nationality is, well, my mom's Mexican, but my dad's like a mixture of like a whole bunch of things. My dad is Polish, Turkish, Israeli, and Spaniard, so he's like a mix of everything. But my mom's Mexican, so whatever all that is together. Are you planning on doing more makeup looks in the future? Yes, ma'am. Expect a lot more looks. Those were all the questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, learned a little more about me. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment anything you guys want to see from me, any looks. You can DM me on my Instagram or on my TikTok on looks that you would like me to do, like send me pictures. And yeah, subscribe if you want. I'm going to take some close-ups so you can really see the magic that happened. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. See you guys next time. Bye!